We're diving deep into the world of social media monetization. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, business owner, or entrepreneur, these strategies will help you monetize your online presence. This is about building a real, sustainable business, leveraging the power of social media. We're going to break down 8 powerful strategies, step by step, so you can start seeing results. Get ready to take some notes, because we're about to unlock the secrets to social media success. Let's kick things off with sponsored posts, the bread and butter of social media monetization. This is where brands pay you to promote their products or services to your loyal followers. Now, here's the key: authenticity. Don't just shill any product that comes your way. You've built trust with your audience, so only partner with brands you genuinely believe in. Find brands that align with your niche, your values, your whole vibe. When you're passionate about the product, it shows. Your audience can feel it, and that's what drives engagement, conversions, and ultimately revenue. Remember, it's not about selling out. It's about strategic partnerships that add value to both you and your audience. Think of it like this: you're a media company. The more targeted your niche, the more valuable your audience becomes to the right brands. Create high-quality content that provides value, engages your followers, and showcases your expertise. Don't be afraid to reach out to brands you love. Consider joining influencer marketing platforms to find potential collaborations. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing, the ultimate passive income stream. You promote other people's products or services on your social media channels. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like having your own online store without the hassle of inventory, shipping, or customer service. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be integrated into almost any type of content. Whether you're writing a blog post, filming a YouTube video, or even just sharing a quick tip on Instagram, you can seamlessly weave in affiliate links. Remember that trust is paramount in affiliate marketing. Only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's needs. If you're constantly pushing products that you don't actually use or recommend, your audience will see right through it. Authenticity is key. Focus on promoting products that solve a specific problem your audience is facing. Provide valuable context, reviews, or tutorials that demonstrate how the product can benefit your followers. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Let your audience know that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Why promote someone else's stuff when you can promote your own? We're talking about selling your own products or services directly to your engaged audience. This is where the real money is made. If you're a content creator, think about offering merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with your logo or catchphrases. If you're an expert in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or coaching programs. Platforms like Instagram Shopping and Facebook Shops make it easier than ever to set up your own online storefront and start selling directly to your followers. And the best part? You get to keep a larger chunk of the profits. Building a successful product-based business takes effort. Create high-quality products that solve real problems, price them competitively, and provide excellent customer service. Use social media to tease upcoming products, offer exclusive discounts to your followers, or even run contests and giveaways to generate buzz. Your audience is your greatest asset. Listen to their feedback, understand their needs, and constantly strive to deliver value. Chapter 4: Paid Memberships, the Power of Community. Let's talk about building a loyal community that pays for exclusive access. Platforms like Patreon, YouTube memberships, and even Facebook groups allow you to offer exclusive content, perks, and experiences to your most dedicated followers in exchange for a monthly or annual fee. This is next-level fan engagement. Your biggest fans get to go behind the scenes, interact with you directly, and access content they can't find anywhere else. Paid memberships are about building a deeper connection with your audience. It's about fostering a sense of community and belonging. Offer bonus episodes, extended interviews, Quanda sessions, early access to new content, or monthly live streams. The key is to offer enough value to make the membership fee a no-brainer for your true fans. Chapter 5. Online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge, change lives. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have knowledge and skills that others would pay to learn? Then listen up, because online courses and coaching might be your ticket to social media monetization heaven. The online education market is booming. People are hungry for knowledge and they're willing to pay for it, especially if it comes from someone they know, like, and trust. Think about the problems you solve, the skills you possess, and the knowledge you can share with the world. Once you've identified your niche, create your course or coaching program. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it easy to create, host, and sell your online courses. Promote your courses and coaching services through your social media channels. Share your expertise, offer free value, and build trust with your audience. Chapter 6. YouTube Mastery from Views to Dollars. YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, is a goldmine for content creators looking to monetize their passions. With multiple monetization avenues, YouTube offers a buffet of options to turn your content into cash. First up, we have AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. Super Chats and Super Stickers allow your viewers to stand out from the crowd by highlighting their messages in live chats. Then there are channel memberships, where your most loyal fans pay a recurring monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. And let's not forget about the merchandise shelf, where you can sell branded swag directly beneath your videos. The key to YouTube's success is consistency and high-quality content that engages your audience. Find your niche, upload regularly, optimize your videos for search, and interact with your viewers. Chapter 7. Sponsored giveaways. Win-win for you and your audience. Sponsored giveaways are a fantastic way to boost engagement, increase brand awareness, and even make some money from your social media channels. You partner with a brand to give away a product or service to your followers. The brand gets exposure to your audience, and you get to reward your followers with awesome freebies. It's a win-win situation. Transparency is crucial here. Clearly disclose that the giveaway is sponsored and follow all legal guidelines. When choosing brands to partner with, make sure they align with your niche and values. To maximize engagement, make the giveaway easy to enter. Ask followers to like, comment, share, or tag their friends. Promote the giveaway across all your social media channels. Sponsored giveaways are a fun and effective way to engage your audience, build relationships with brands, and even make some money along the way. Chapter 8. Digital products. Your knowledge is gold. Selling digital products is the ultimate scalable income stream. Unlike physical products, digital products can be created once and sold an unlimited number of times without any additional overhead. But what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are vast. Are you a whiz with spreadsheets? Create and sell budget templates, financial trackers, or meal planning calendars? Are you a design guru? Design and sell social media templates, website themes, or printable wall art. Identify a problem that your audience is facing and create a digital product that solves it. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Selfie, and even your own website make it easy to list, sell, and deliver your digital products. Promote your digital products through your social media channels, email list, and even paid advertising. Now go make some money. There you have it, folks. 8 powerful strategies to monetize your social media channels and turn your online presence into a money-making machine. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Keep creating amazing content, engaging with your audience, and providing value. The money will follow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money with social media.